5. Juan and Sarah are competing in a long jump event at school. Juan has jumped 3 3/10 feet and Sarah has jumped 1.5 times the distance as Juan. How far did Sarah jump? So what I'm thinking about right here is that we have the information that represents Juan, which is 3.3. And we know Sarah's distance is more than Juan. In fact, it's not only going to be Juan's amount, but it's going to be double and a half. 1.5 times. Or when we think about that number, I'm sorry, that's not correct. When we think about Juan's amount, it's not only going to be Juan's amount, but it's going to be a little bit more. So when we think about how much more, it's going to be 1.5 times more. So we have to figure out, well, what is 1.5 times more? So this is representing part of a whole set. We want to know what part is 1 5/10 part more than 3.3. So we're going to multiply that, and I'm going to set it up so that I have 3.3 on top, and I have 1.5 on bottom. And then I'm just going to multiply that. And so I pretend like the 1 is not there, and I can say 5 times 3 is 15, and 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 would give me 16. Cross out that 1, cross out that 5, and drop my 0. And now I can multiply from the digit in the ones place. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 3 is 3. Now that I have my two partial products, I have 1, and I have 6 plus 3 is 9, and 3 plus 1 is 4. And then I've got to bump my decimal over 1, 2 places, 1, 2 places. So that gives me an answer of 4.95. Which, when I go back and think about that, 4 95/100 is at least 3.3 and another half more. So this makes great sense to me.